Hello, my name is Donna Lovette. Have you ever felt like there was not enough hours in a day? That when you look at all of the things you have to do to accomplish your purpose, your destiny, your business, your ministry, there just doesn't seem to be enough time to do it all. Well, AI may be an answer to prayer for you. When I look at how much I accomplished in 7.5 months, I am amazed. The first book I wrote, it took me 2 years to write it. With AI's help, I wrote in 7.5 months 3 books, each of them 225 pages each, and they're quality books. I wrote 5 mini books. I redesigned my website. I finalized my Destiny to Dynasty blueprint course, which is you're going to hear a lot more about. It's a 4-level course, amazing. You're going to hear a lot more about it soon. I created a marketing strategy to promote the course. All of that in 7.5 months. I'm amazed. So if you would also like to learn how to redeem the time and how to get a whole lot more done in a shorter period of time, I'd recommend that you read my book. It's free, that you'll see right below, your partnership with AI, my partnership with AI, and it will really, truly bless you. Until next time, guys, be amazingly, tremendously blessed.